Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Buick Key Fob. You do not need any tools, but you do need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. So on the back here, you want to press the silver button and remove your mechanical key. Now take the mechanical key and insert it here. Turn your key sideways and then push and twist like that. Sometimes these come out. If they do, you can just slide that right back in here, like that. Remove your board, put it right there. You can use your key here. Just pry out that dead battery. Make sure you place a new one positive side facing downward. I like to put in just like that and give it a firm press. Line up your board there. And then put your key back in. And you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.